Assalamu alaikum, students. Our next lesson is lesson number 3. The first topic is vocabulary learning. Again, I have selected some words and phrases from the lesson to learn their meanings, synonyms and sentences. The first phrase is make up mind. Its meaning is irada karna, faisla karna. Synonym is decide. She has made up her mind to work hard. The next is a word wade. Wade means pani mein chalna. Its synonym is walk. The child waded in water. Ashamed of, sharminda hona. Its synonym is regret. He is ashamed of his mistake. Look for, talash karna. Its synonym is search. I looked for my lost book. Look after, dekbhal karna. Its synonym is care. She looks after her mother. Our next topic is grammar. In the last lesson, we had read about nouns and different types of nouns. Today, we will study about preposition. What is a preposition? How to use a preposition in a sentence. What is the importance of preposition? It is a word or group of words used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, relative position, time, etc. Examples are in, on, at, by, from, after, into, out of, and in front of, etc. Students, I have selected an activity from the exercise of the book, exercise of the lesson. Here are different blanks given for using suitable prepositions. First blank is he goes to school every day, but his young brother stays at home. पहली blank में क्या use किया गया है? कौन सी preposition है? To. He goes to school every day, but his young brother stays at home. Home के साथ कौन सी preposition आती है? At. He writes with a pencil on paper. किसके साथ लिख रहे हैं? पेन या पेंसिल के साथ तो क्या यूज होता है? कौन सी preposition with? He writes with a pencil on paper. Next, he was born in Gujranwala in a house near the marketplace. Born in Gujranwala in a house near the marketplace. He put on a coat and placed a hat on his head. Put on mean पहनना. Put on mean पहनना and place a hat on his head. इन दोनों blanks में preposition on का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. He has been away on holiday, so I haven't seen him for 3 days. Next, I will see you at 4 o'clock on Thursday at the station. At 4 o'clock टाइम के साथ क्या आता है? At. डे के साथ क्या आता है? On. और प्लेस के साथ क्या आता है? At. I will see you at 4 o'clock on Thursday at the station. She gave the book and thanked me the loan of it. इसमें ये कैसे fill in blanks करनी है? She gave back the book and thanked me for the loan of it. Next, he fell off his cycle and hit the ground with the bump. He fell off his cycle and hit the ground with the bump. Next blank, when you arrive at the town, get off the bus and go through the door. और जहाँ पे place के साथ again कौन सी preposition use की गई? At the town, at, get off the bus and go through the door. Next, a secret may be kept by 2 people. यहाँ by का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. But if you share it with a third person, second blank कौन सी है? First में by, second में a secret may be kept by 2 people, but if you share with the third person, it is sure to leak out. तो leak के साथ कौन सी preposition है? Out. The next activity is use of and of. O single F and O double F of. Add of or of to these sentences. The first sentence, leader of the men took off his hat. Take off mean utarna, put on पहनना, take off mean utarna. The leader of the men took off his hat. He has gone off to the middle of the jungle to eat it. He has gone off to the middle of the jungle to eat it. Gone off mean, go off mean दूर चले जाना. He has gone off to the middle of the jungle to eat it. She peeled off the skin of the orange and began to eat it. She peeled, first में क्या आएगा? O double F off और of the orange single off. She peeled off the skin of the orange and began to eat it. The soldiers stopped for a drink of water and then marched off. The soldier stopped for a drink of water and then marched off. पहली blank में O single F, दूसरी blank में O double F. Next sentence, well I must be off. I'll come to the station and see you off. और फर्स्ट में कौन सी है? O double F off. तो to be off mean कहीं बाहर दूर चले जाना. So well I must be off. I'll come to the station and see you off. See off के मीनिंग्स क्या होते हैं? किसी को खुदा हाफिज कहना. The wind broke off a branch of the tree. Break off mean टूट के बिल्कुल टोटल अलग कर देना. The wind broke off a branch of the tree. Next sentence, the price of the car is so high that only a person who is well off could buy it. So well off mean wealthy person, बहुत rich person could buy it. He is badly off so he cannot afford it. तो कहते हैं कार की इतनी ज़्यादा कीमत है, जो वेल ऑफ पर्सन है, जो रिच पर्सन है, ही कुड बाय इट. ही इज बैडली ऑफ मीन वो फाइनेंशियली इतनी उसकी कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है, सो ही कैन नॉट अफोर्ड इट. वो ऐसी गाड़ी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता. द कप फेल ऑफ द शेल्फ एंड हैंडल वॉज ब्रोकन ऑफ. द कप फेल ऑफ द शेल्फ एंड हैंडल वॉज ब्रोकन ऑफ. हियर इज अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. Tear off a piece and write on that. तो इसमें दोनों में देखें, here is a